Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel, and in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create thumbnails for your video using AI. Now, if you're new to this channel, on this channel, I help you leverage on AI tools to create content for social media and for social media monetization. If this is something you are interested in, kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly click on the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and it helps us create more amazing videos like this. Don't forget to share this video with someone, and let's jump into the tutorial. Now, one of the important things when it comes to video creation, and especially on YouTube, is the thumbnail, because you can actually have a very good video and your thumbnail is somehow shabby, right? So you can actually use AI to create thumbnails for your videos. Now, whether you are creating videos for YouTube, whether you are creating shorts, whether you are creating for Facebook, you can use thumbnail. Whether for TikTok, you can use thumbnails on your videos, and it helps you gain more visibility. Now, let's check few of the videos I have on my channel right here. So you can see some videos that we have here, and we are going to check other channels as well. So whether you are in the storytelling niche, whatever niche you are into, you can use this method to actually create your thumbnail. Yes, you can use this method to actually create your thumbnail. Now, the first thing we want to do, depending on the kind of thumbnail we want to create, so let's assume we are in the AI tutorial niche, right? Let's assume we are in the AI tutorial niche, and we want to copy one of our competitor, because not everybody have graphic design skill, or not everybody have the money to pay graphic designers to be able to get a good thumbnail design. But with AI, you can actually get this easily. So let's go to the search bar and let's search for AI tutorial. So let's just click on it and search for AI tutorial, and let's search and see. Um, okay, so you can see this tutorial right here, right? So want to copy one of the thumbnail to one of this tutorial. So let's use this one that says Grok free and unlimited. So we'll just click on this three dot right here. I will click on share, and we are going to copy the link, and we are going to head back to our browser, and we'll go to this website. The name of this website is YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video as well. So once you're on this website, you're going to click on this search box right here. You're going to click on this search box and ensure there is nothing inside, and you are going to paste the link you copied from YouTube. We are going to click on get thumbnail image. Now, the aim is not to replicate this thumbnail exactly like this, but we want to use it to create our own, right? So we need something similar, not exactly, because we don't want to copy. We want to be able to create our own from this. So you can see that it gives us the thumbnail in different version. We're going to click on download to download the thumbnail in HD quality. So sometimes if you click on the download button and it doesn't work, you can simply you can simply um you can simply right click, or you can simply long click on the thumbnail and then you hit on the download button, right? So our thumbnail is done downloading. Now we are going to head on to any image generator of our choice, but for me, I prefer using ChatGPT. So we're going to head on to ChatGPT, and we're going to give ChatGPT a very detailed prompt. Now here is what we are going to do. We are going to click on the plus button, and we are going to select photo. Now we are going to select one of this thumbnail, and we are going to look for an image that we want to use. in place of the main subject image on that thumbnail we just shared. So let me look for one of my image here. So I'm going to use this one and I'm going to click done. So I'll wait for it to load, right? So while it is loading, I'm going to type my prompt. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, using the thumbnail from my competitor, comma, I want you to replicate the thumbnail but with my image, full stop. Now we want to make a little changes on this thumbnail, and we're going to tell ChatGPT to change the characters in the frame something else, comma, switch the font colors, comma, and make little changes on the thumbnail so that it doesn't look like a copied thumbnail, full stop. Now we are going to tell ChatGPT to maintain the thumbnail aspect ratio. So we are going to say maintain the right YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio of 16 by 9 exactly. So this is our prompt, and if you want this prompt, kindly comment prompts in the comment section and I'll be sending you this prompt. Don't forget to click on the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram and our WhatsApp support group to get support on your videos and your content creation journey. So once we have this prompt right here, we're going to click on here and we are going to wait for ChatGPT to generate our image for us. So ChatGPT is going to generate this thumbnail for us. So let's wait for it. It's not going to take time. Mind you, I am using the free version of ChatGPT, so you don't need the premium version of ChatGPT to actually do this. This works perfectly on the free version of ChatGPT, and it will give you an amazing result without stress. So when you're using the free version of ChatGPT, you are entitled to just 5 image generation per day. And once you have exhausted that, you have to either switch to another email account or you can pay for the premium version of ChatGPT. So it's taking a little time, but we'll just wait patiently and it's going to just generate very soon. Alright, so you can see that ChatGPT is done generating our thumbnail, and we are going to click on it so that we can view it. So you can see the thumbnail that ChatGPT generated for us. So I'll go back to the previous one that we have there. You're going to see. So this is what we gave ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT generated for us. And as you can see, this thumbnail is looking very classy, right? And with this kind of thumbnail, you are sure to get clicks on your videos, right? This is really amazing, and you can do the same thing across every niche, whether you are into storytelling, whether you are into folktale, whether you are into ghost storytelling, whatever niche you are into, you can actually use this method. If you have watched this video till this point, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the link in the description of this video to join our WhatsApp and Telegram support group to get support for free. Tell us what tutorial you want us to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.